So let's start with the first question. That is, how had Binia got the blue umbrella? So I got the answers. Ishan is saying Binia got blue umbrella from someone by exchanging it with her necklace. Okay, she exchanged it for her necklace. Right, she got it in exchange for her necklace. Correct answer. So how you are going to write this answer? How had Binia got the blue umbrella? Binia got the blue umbrella for she exchanged it for her necklace. She exchanged it for her necklace. If this question comes for 2 marks, you are not supposed to write this single line answer, means in single sentence, then add that she liked that umbrella. That umbrella was so attractive. She loved that umbrella so much that she exchanged it for her lucky necklace. Is it okay? Then next comes, yes, Bani, she didn't buy it, but she exchanged it for her lucky necklace. Yes. Yes, Yeshika, correct answer. So now let's come to second question. Who was Ram Bharosa? Why would Binia and Biju visit him? Whenever there are 2 parts, you have to answer both the parts. Is it okay? Don't skip one part. So first part is, who was Ram Bharosa? Anjani is saying Ram Bharosa was the owner of a small tea shop situated on the Tehri road. And then she has given the second answer also, and that is also correct, Anjani. But let me, yes, okay, Taranya wants to give the answer. Okay, just wait, Taranya, I'll unmute you. Wait. Yes, Taranya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ram Bharosa was a shopkeeper. He kept a tea shop. In his shop, his shop was near the Tehri Road. He kept hot tea, cold drinks, glasses of curd. He also kept sweets and toffees in his shop to attract the passengers. Binia and Biju loved to eat toffees, so when they had few coins to spare, they would spend them at the shop. It was only a mile from their village.
Yes, very good. Correct answer. She has included everything. So this is the way you are going to answer. Is it okay? You have to write that who was Ram Bharosa? Ram Bharosa was the owner of tea shop on Tehri Road, right? And then he had not only kept he not only prepared the tea, but also he had kept milk, cold drinks, curd, and then other things like sweets and toffees. Then you will write the second part that Binia and Biju visited him to buy sweets and toffees whenever they had some money to spend. Is it okay? I hope you got the answer. Is the answer clear? Okay. Yes, Akul, you can give the third answer. Yes, Bani, your answer is correct. Yes, Ram Bharosa or Ram the Trustworthy was a shopkeeper of a small tea shop. The cold drinks went hot because Gautam, no need to write this that because the cold drinks went hot, but you can add that yes, few things were there. These were the few things which he had kept in his shop. No need to write that cold drinks were hot and that is why no ice was there. Then that is why he had kept toffees and cold drinks. Just simply write that he was the shop owner of the tea shop, place where the tea shop was situated, and then you have to write what other things were there in his shop, and then why Binia and Biju used to visit him. They visited him because they wanted, whenever they had money to spare, they visited his shop to buy sweets and toffees. That's it. Is it okay? Bani, it means surprised. He was surprised as well as shocked. Okay. So next is, why was Ram Bharosa astonished? Third question is, why was Ram Bharosa astonished? Means why was he shocked when Now you will give the answer. Why was he shocked? What he saw, and after seeing that, why he was shocked. Okay, Ishan is giving the answer. Yes, Akul, just wait. I'll unmute you. Wait, Akul. Okay, Akul.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ram Bharosa was astonished to see Binya's blue umbrella because he was attracted towards the umbrella. It was very shiny and very good umbrella. That Ram Bharosa was astonished to see it. He told Binya that it's a lady umbrella and only main sahibs that are rich ladies kept it.
Yes. Yes, and Avni, your answer is also correct. Ishan, your answer is also correct that Ram Bharosa was astonished to see the blue umbrella that was carried by Binya. Or you can write that Ram Bharosa was astonished to see Binya's blue umbrella as it was. Gautam, don't write that it looks cool. It is okay, but you are not supposed to write like this. That it looked royal and also expensive, and usually it was carried by rich women. Okay, just rich women to show off. Okay, Anmol, yes, your answer is correct. It was royal, which was kept by rich women. He was thinking that how could Binya, an ordinary girl, bought it? It was only for mem sahibs. Yes, correct, Anmol. Bhavika's answer is also correct. Yes, its color was so bright. Again, don't use cool word. Use expensive, royal, attractive. Okay. Oh, it is okay, Harman. No problem. Yes, we are discussing question answers. We are on question number 4. Okay. So, Bhavika, question number 2. You want me to repeat question number 2. Okay, who will repeat the answer for this question number 2? She is having some problem. Who will repeat this? Yashika, your answer is also correct. Just grammatical mistakes. He thought that he would. Okay, don't write thing. As the question is in past tense, so you have to use. Okay, Lavish wants to repeat. Okay, Lavish, just wait. I'm going to unmute you. Just wait. Bhavika, pay attention. Lavish is going to repeat the answer. Yes, Lavish. Lavish, you can speak now. I think Lavish is not here. Okay. Anyone else? Okay, Sanvi is there. Sanvi? Yes, Sanvi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Second question, okay? Second answer. You have to give second answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, wait, wait. You have let me unmute you. I think your mic is not working. Tanvi, I think your mic is not working. Okay, then Bani is here. Bani wants to give the answer. Then if Bani is not able to give the answer, then I'll give the answer. Yes, Bani?
Ma'am, now can I speak?
Yes, yes.
Ram Bharosa was a shopkeeper of a tea shop. He usually keep toffees. So Binya and his
brother Biju, when they have money, they kept to Ram Bharosa. They give they went to Ram
Ram
Bharosa's shop.
Yes, yes. So, Bani add other things also that he had kept cold drinks, curd, okay, and then toffees and sweets, then full stop, and then you will give the second answer, second part answer, that is Bini and Biju. They used to visit him whenever they had money to spend. They used to visit Binia. They used to visit Ram Bharosa's shop to buy sweets and toffees. I hope Bhavika, the answer is clear. Now, let me start with the next question, that is, what proposal did Ram Bharosa give to Binia? We'll focus on first part first and then second. What proposal did Ram Bharosa give to Binia? So I got the answers. Ram Bharosa was very shocked to see Binia's umbrella. Ram Bharosa gave the proposal of exchanging umbrella for 5 rupees to Binia. Okay, but Binia didn't accept his proposal because she loved the umbrella very much, as she was attracted towards it. Akul, one more proposal was there. First was 5 rupees. Second, okay, Prabsharan, just wait. Second, two proposals were there. Na? First, he tried to convince. Then, when she refused, he tried again. So you have to include both the proposals. Yes, Prabsharan?
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
speak now?
yes, yes.
Ram Bruce gave proposal to Binya that
Prabsharan, you have again, you are mute. Yes, Prabsharan.
yes, ma'am.
Speak.
Ram Brusa told Binya that this umbrella is for the meme sites. You didn't accept this umbrella. Then
Hmm.
Ram Brusa also told Binya that I will give you 5 rupees for this umbrella, but Binya didn't accept his proposal. And
Hmm.
then Binya said that if you want this umbrella, give me 20 rupees. But Ram Brusa said, I will give you 15 rupees, and Binya didn't accept his proposal.
No, 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 no. The answer is that she wasn't ready to give his umbrella. She wasn't ready to sell her umbrella. First proposal was for 5 rupees, right? And then for 12. Yashika, not 10. It is for 5 and 12. Is it okay? Yes, two proposals were there. First for 5 rupees and second 12, not third. No third proposal was there. Is it okay? So you have to write that Ram Bharosa, what proposal did Ram Bharosa give to Binya? He offered Binia to sell it to him, to sell the umbrella to him for 5 rupees. When Binia denied, or when Binia refused, he offered her 12 rupees, or he offered a price of 12 rupees to sell the umbrella to him. But as Binia, she loved the umbrella so much, she just refused. Okay, Avni has given the answer. He asked Binia to sell the beautiful blue umbrella to him in 5 rupees. But Binia didn't like his proposal, correct? And then he asked it for 10 rupees, but in vain. He even asked for 12 rupees, but Binia loved her umbrella and refused its proposal. Avni, exclude 10 rupees part. Okay, it was first 5 and then 12. Okay, first 5 and then 12. The actual cost of that umbrella was 15. Is it okay? It's on page number 59. That I have an idea, said the shopkeeper. It is no use to you, that umbrella. Why not sell it to me? I'll give you 5 rupees. Then she said, no. And then, okay, I'll do you a favor, 12 rupees. So he offered 5 rupees and then 12 rupees. Is it okay? Don't be confused. Two offers. First offer 5, second 12. Lavish, I think your mic is not working. If I'm trying to unmute you, we are not able to hear you. Is there any doubt in this question? If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask. So yes, Ram Bharosa, he offered, his proposal was to sell the umbrella, blue umbrella, to him. First he offered, where Anvay? Anvay, which page? The book which I have here, it is written, I have an idea, said the shopkeeper, page number 59. And then he said that the umbrella, why not sell it to me? I'll give you 5 rupees for it. Then Binya said that it is worth 15, said Binya. Well, then I'll make things easy for you. Okay, correct. Yes, 10 is also there, 3 parts. Then he said that 12. Okay, correct. Okay, you have doubt, then you can ask. Yes, 10 is also there. Sorry, my mistake. 10 is also there. First 5, then 10, then 12. And same way the Binya, each time Binya just refused. As umbrella was very attractive, so Ram Bharosa gave proposal. First was that Ram Bharosa offered 5 rupees. Yes, and then 10 rupees. Okay. And Bhavika at 12 rupees also. He also, last proposal without any hope, which he gave without any hope, was for 12 rupees. Okay. But Binya, she kept on refusing the proposal as she loved her umbrella very much. Then next question is, why did everyone on the road turn their heads to stare at Binya? Why did everyone? Okay, everyone on the road turned their heads to stare at the normal little girl Binya with a bright blue umbrella. Yes, correct, Anmol. Everyone on the road turned their heads to stare at Binya because Binya was carrying the royal attractive blue umbrella. Yes, why they were turning their heads? They were just turning their heads to see Binya's blue umbrella, which looked very royal, expensive, and would be kept by Mem Sahibs only. Yes, Gaurane, your answer is correct. What you have to include, first point you have to include, because they were staring at the blue umbrella, as the umbrella was royal, attractive, expensive, and was possessed by, it was usually possessed by rich women. Yes, Lavish, correct answer. Yes, Tanushka, answer is correct. Just write looked. Don't write looks. The umbrella looked royal. Yes, Anjani, answer is correct. So yes, why did everyone on the road turn their heads? They turned their heads to see the umbrella. Okay. Then next question is, what happened when Binya dozed off? What happened when Binya dozed off in the shade of a pine tree? What happened when Binya dozed off in the shade of pine tree? People are possessed by this umbrella. No, Lavish, rich people used to possess this type of umbrella. So you start writing what happened when Binya dozed off in the shade of a pine tree. बच्चे बताओ. Everyone on the road. Bhavika, this answer is done. Next answer is, what happened when Binya dozed off in the shade of a pine tree? When she was sleeping, suddenly what happened? Something happened now. Okay, she cradled her heads in. Yes, Akul. Then what happened? After that, what happened? Okay, Adish, just wait. I'll unmute you. Just wait, Adish. Yes, Adish. Start, Adish.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good
Hello,
morning.
When Binia dozed off in the shade of pine tree. Suddenly, a wind blowing off, and his her blue umbrella.
Hmm.
Hello,
Wind carried her blue umbrella, and then
hello मैम मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
yes, yes,
लगता है आवाज.
yes, Adish.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I am speaking.
हाँ जी. Okay, I think some problem is there. So what happened when she dozed off? When she dozed off, wind, when wind started, okay, when Vinya dozed off under the shade of pine tree, in the shade of pine tree, suddenly wind started blowing. At first, it blew softly and gently, but then it started blowing faster and faster, and carried the blue umbrella with it. And then Vinya had to run behind it to take it back. Yes, Avni, correct answer. You can also write that the wind the way they have explained, the wind was in a very playful mood. It carried the umbrella, it picked up the umbrella and carried it further downhill. Just mention this, that the wind carried the umbrella downhill. Okay, just include this point, Avni, otherwise your answer is correct. Gautam, add few things, that how it started, how wind started blowing, and then what happened. When Vinya dozed off in shade of pine tree, then strong wind started blowing. Everything that it carried, it also carried Vinya's blue umbrella. Yes. Akul, then add, where did it carry the umbrella? The wind carried the umbrella downhill. Okay. Then Anmol, Vinya was tired and sat down in the shade of pine tree and dozed off. When she slept, a wind sprang up. It came quietly, swishing gently through the tree, strumming softly. Okay. Then it was joined by other random gusts. The wind grew stronger, picking up the blue umbrella into it. Wind carried it about 6 feet up from Binya. Yes, Anmol, correct. And then add. Finally, where that umbrella landed. Okay. Answer is correct. Add where it landed. Then next and the last question is, why did Binya have to be careful about not starting a landslide? Yes, Lavish. Then add. Add then what happened. This was a description of wind. What happened because of that wind? You have to add that also. Yes, that is correct, Akul. But you are not supposed to write one line answer, na? Okay, Herman, just wait. Samiksha, sixth answer. For sixth answer, you have to write when she dozed off in the shade of pine tree. Wind started blowing. First, it was very soft, and it looked like the wind was in a playful mood. It carried the umbrella, Binya's blue umbrella. It carried Binya's blue umbrella, and slowly it was very fast, and then it carried it further downhill. It carried the blue umbrella downhill. Yes, Harman, just wait. Let me unmute you. Yes, yes, Harman. Why did Binya have to be careful about not starting a landslide?
Please repeat the
Yes.
question.
Why did Binya have to be careful about not starting a landslide?
Dunya had to be careful about not sending a landslide because she was running madly behind the umbrella, and uh, she had to go up to the hill, and there were stones in the hill also. If she hit one stone, then it would roll down all the stones, and there would be landslide in the village, and all the people would be
In danger.
would
The
be
yes, they would be in danger. So you will write that loose stones. If loose stones would rumble down the cliff, it would start the waterfall of stones, and then it would be dangerous for Binya and other people, or it would be dangerous for Binya to catch or to find her umbrella. Means if yes, Akul, I'm repeating. Why did Binya have to be careful about not starting a landslide? Binya had to be very careful about not starting a landslide because first thing because it was dangerous. It was dangerous for Binya and other people, and the stones were loose. Stones were loose, and if they start crumbling, if they start rolling down, if they start rolling down the cliff, this would start the waterfall. This would start the waterfall of stones, which would lead to which would lead to the landslide. So that is why she had to be very careful about the landslide. Yes, Herman, your answer is correct. So now next is A3. Yes, Gautam, correct answer. She was not caring. She had to be careful not to start a landslide because once the loose stones rumbled down the cliff, it did not stop and it carried. Yes, Avni, correct. Once the loose stones would start crumbling, then what would happen? It would carry other stones, and then landslide would begin, and this would be dangerous for all. This would be dangerous for all and for Binia. Yes, Agni, correct answer. It is correct. Okay, then exercise A3. Do you think Binia did the right thing by risking her life to get her umbrella back? Why? Why not? If you say that yes, she did the right thing, then you have to give the reason. If you think that no, it wasn't right, then you have to give the reasons. Is it okay? So I think it is totally your choice. What do you feel? I feel that she wasn't correct. It was totally a wrong act, just running behind the umbrella without taking care of anything, without thinking about her own life. She was not even thinking about her own life, not she was not thinking about her parents. She was just running behind the umbrella. Yes, and life is more important than things. Yes, correct, Akul. So you need to write this way. And when again, I'm going to say this that whenever you write these answers, think and write these answers according to 4 marks. Is it okay? 60 to 70 or 80 words. So I think in this for this answer you can write so many things. First, write down what you think whether it is correct or wrong, not. Then give 3 to 4 reasons. First reason that life is important. She was running behind the umbrella without even thinking about anything. The way was dangerous. The cliff was dangerous. She would have lost her life. And then start writing that life is important. Life is precious. We can buy the things, but we cannot buy life once life is gone. Then we must think about our parents, our family members, right? So you have to write in this way. Yes, Gautam. You have to give 2 to 3 or 4 reasons to support your answer. Is it okay? Yes, yes, correct, Avni. Correct. It was not right. This could risk her life, and if we are alive, we can do hard work to get. Yes, correct answer. So then next is what kind of a person do you think Ram Bharosa was? I think that is very clear. What kind of person he was? A businessman, kind person, businessman. Not don't write kind. Paramjit, he was Ram Bharosa was a businessman. He was greedy. Yes, he was greedy. He was selfish. First, don't start criticizing him. Whenever you have to write the answers, you will start that who was Ram Bharosa. Okay, so Ram Bharosa was the owner of a tea shop. Is it okay? You will start writing like this. Add that what are the things he had in his shop. After that, write that he was a greedy, selfish, business-minded person. Yes, clever also. He was very clever. Not Akul, he wasn't old, he was middle aged. Middle aged. Okay. So first you will write about who was he, means Ram Bharosa was the owner of the tea shop. Then you will write what kind of person he was. In that you will write that Ram Bharosa was greedy, clever, selfish, and business-minded person. Then why do you think he wanted the blue umbrella? It is very simple. He wanted to blue umbrella to attract visitors, passengers to his shop. Yes, and he wanted to sell that umbrella at higher cost. Yes. Akul, no one part is left. I will send that part also. So why do you think he wanted the blue umbrella? He wanted the blue umbrella as he was a businessman. He wanted his profit only. So that is why he want that blue umbrella. That blue umbrella as it looked royal and it was very attractive. So it would attract more passengers to his shop, and maybe he could sell it at higher price to some main sahib or some rich lady. Is it okay? Yes, he was thinking about his profit actually. Correct. Yes, he wanted to buy it at low cost and wanted to sell it at higher price. Yes, correct, Akul. Correct, Harman. So we have done. Ram Bharosa was the owner of the tea shop. Greedy, business-minded, clever. He wanted that umbrella because he could use that to attract passengers and he could sell it at higher cost. Yes, Tabni, correct. Correct answer. Paramjit, I don't think you need hints. Answers are very simple, nothing complicated. See, 7C and 7B, they have already done the question answers of this chapter. Still, in case you need hints, just tell me, inform me, I'll send the hints. Exercise A1 and A3. You are going to do these two exercises in your notebook. Akul, I have read, sorry, Harman, I have read and I said that your answer is correct. Yes, now we are left with only last chapter, that is poem, Just Me, and very interesting poem, short poem. We'll start this poem tomorrow. Answer 7 in Lavish. Come to page number, if you want hints now, come to page number 60. Second column, second paragraph. Loose stones rumbled down. These are the hints. These are the hints. Exercise A1 and A3 in fair notebook. As soon as you finish your work, start sending your PDFs to me. I'll start checking. If you finish your work today, send it today. I will check. Any other doubt? Any other confusion?